Okay, so I'm going to be starting on my eyebrows. As you can see, if you want to see full detail on how I do my brows, I do have an eyebrow video, so you can watch that. I'll copy the link down below in the description. I'm sorry I'm moving everywhere, but this is a quick makeup and hair tutorial. I was like in a rush. I had to be at a photo shoot for this event that's coming up next week. So then I'm going in with that LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Chestnut. Going back in with that brown eyeline pencil to fill in my brows. That's the Colormates brown pencil I got from the Dollar Tree. So on the other eye, I'm taking that LA Pro Girl Concealer in Chestnut and just lining out my brows, cleaning them up. Then I'm taking the beauty blender or sponge and blending out the concealer. I'm just going back in and cleaning up spots that I probably forgot. Okay, so now I'm applying that P. Louise in the shade Rumour 2. I'm applying that all over my eyelid. This just helps the pigment from my eyeshadows to pop a little bit better. This time around, I did not add any translucent powder to that after that, so I should have, but I didn't. Then I'm going in with my Masquerade eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that brown. I'm going to apply that brown in my crease area. Back and forth motion, windshield wiper motion. And you just continue to apply more eyeshadow up to your liking. If you want more of a brighter one, just keep adding. If you want more of a soft look, you don't need much. But for me, I'm going for like a smoky eye. I love smoky eyes. Now I'm going in with a darker brown, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease area, but a little bit in the crease area and below the crease area. I'm taking that little blending brush. That blending brush is more concentrated for focused areas, so I'm trying to make sure I have more color in a particular area. And I'm just taking that other blender brush just to smooth everything out and blend everything out. Going in with my BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. And I'm using that darker brown. And I'm just using that on the outer corner of my eye. Outer corner, halfway in the crease. Then I'm taking that the same blending brush to blend out any harsh line. The first brown that I use, or the second brown, to darken the crease area. Then I'm going in to take me back to Brazil, and I'm going to be using that black. I'm going to apply the black in my halfway in my crease area and my outer corner area to smoke it out a little bit more. Then I'm just taking that blending brush and making sure I smooth out any harsh lines and to make sure it blends well with the other eyeshadows. Then I'm just adding more black because I want it to be a little bit more darker and a little bit more smoked out. In that Masquerade palette, I'm using that brown that I used in the crease of my eye to darken it. Going back in with that black just to darken the outer corners. Then just blending it out. I'm just blending. You will see that. Then I'm taking this flat brush and then I'm going in with this bronzy gold brown type of shimmer eyeshadow out of the Masquerade palette. And I'm applying that in the inner corner and halfway on my eyelid. So I'm just using that eyeshadow to cut out my eye and apply the eyeshadow. Shimmer Flip. And I'm just patting and dragging, as you can see. And I'm sorry you guys can't see. I kind of got my head low. So I'm just taking that blending brush. I added a little light brown to clean up any harsh lines. Then I'm going in with the liquid eyeliner, Revlon Color Stay Skinny. Then I'm taking this makeup wipe and I'm just cleaning up any eyeshadow fallout. Then I'm going to be using this mascara. I forgot the name of that. I actually ran out, so I threw it away. Sorry. Now I'm going to be going in, I believe, with that Wet n Wild black eyeliner, and I just apply that on my waterline. And I also applied my lashes off camera because my camera was not positioned right. Forgive me. And like right now, my camera is acting crazy, so you guys will kind of see me. You'll see it adjust. But I'm using NARS foundation. I'm applying it with a sponge, but then I'll use my brush, my Real Technique brush, foundation brush. Perfect. It's important to blend. Try to blend everywhere so it can look as natural as possible. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the color Earth. And I'm going to just blend that as well. And I use that foundation to contour my face. Then I'm using my Tarte Concealer in Tan Deep Sand, I believe that's what it is. And I'm just going to blend that out with my foundation brush. And then I'm going to go in with the sponge, just because I thought it was easier, because that concealer is a bit sticky, more sticky to me. So I blend it out with the sponge and then go back and blend it with the brush. So you guys cannot see, I'm actually adding eyeshadow on underneath my eyes. So the eyeshadow that's at the top of my eyes, I added on the bottom. I'm just blending it out.
Perfect.
Then I'm taking some translucent powder in Mercier, and I believe that's the brown translucent powder I'm using. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to apply that. Now I'm going in with this highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm applying that on my cheekbone and my nose. Then I'm going in with this lip liner from LoReal. It's a matte lip liner, like a burgundy color. Then I'm using another lip liner, which I can't remember the name of it at the moment. But I'm using this smaller flat brush, and I'm applying this Kat Von D lipstick sample I received. It's red. I really love it. Then I'm spraying my face with mix. Then I'm going in to do my hair. So I'm actually using this. It's like a leave-in conditioner. I got it from MNK. I'll leave all the products in the descriptions because I can't seem to remember all of them. But I gotta do my hair. I'm in a rush. As you can see. My hair was so dry, so I had to add some products to my hair. So there's the style. I kind of tuck it up in a ponytail bun. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, you guys. I think it's pretty cool. I was in a rush, so it came out pretty good. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe to my video. Remember, there's weekly videos on Sundays, so stay looking out. And I appreciate all the support and love I get from you guys. If you have any ideas, please let me know.